In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can trade meme coins, especially the second wave of the meme coin. I'll be opening up some meme coins randomly and tell you guys the ones that are actually good, like teach you guys how to spot the good ones and how you can potentially get into the coins. So if I keep on doing this, I believe with time you'll be able to spot good meme coins by yourself. You get so on this particular one, I'll be trading meme coin that are on their second wave. You get the first wave of meme coin are those meme coins that are being created within the last 1 hour to 30 minutes. You get those ones are high risk meme coins that most times we get to get work. You get, but this other one will be meme coins that are have passed the first 1 hour, you get have passed the work phase. They already have stable community. So what we're doing, this is Dexscreener. Just open up Dexscreener and I'm going to scan through. You get, I'll just look through and open up some of these particular meme coins. So I got this one that was created 9 hours ago, and it's pretty much still have this volume but super formula market cap. So I'm going to open a new tab. Then I think this particular one too. Let me just say, okay, this one is kind of boosted. I don't really like to do boosted coin. Let's see this one. So you need to be trading meme all the time for you to know the ones that are actually doing well at the moment. You get the ones that in meta, you get it's something called meta narrative that is trendy currently. Get but in this area we are in right now, you know specific narrative you get. So I'll just open up randoms, coins at randoms. Look at the market cap to open up few coins you get. So let me just check out the ones that open up. Still try to see if I can see new ones, but I think the only ones with volumes are the one being promoted, right? Okay, this Cristiano Ronaldo was created about 3 months ago, but there's still kind of room on it. Let me open up this. So now I'm going to go through all of them after the other and see. So this was the first one created about 7 hours ago, about 5 on trending, which is good. Last few minutes, over 8.5k have dollars in transaction, yeah, volume transaction. So you can see by simply open up this screen and looking at what is trading, you can actually get to find good meme coin. So I'm going to put this on full screen. If you notice, I didn't bother checking for the I didn't bother checking the CA to see if the coin liquidity is locked or not, because this coin has created about 7 hours ago. You get if the coin wants to do what wants to if they want to work, they would have done it. You get because this is the advantage of trading coins that are old. You get. So I'm going to put this in 15 minutes. I just want to see the top where it has gone to before, and as you can see, it has gone to about 2.7 market cap, and you can see. So this first wave that it went from about here to about 2.7 market cap is the first wave you get. There's another potential wave after people have taken profit. You can see there's still a potential of it going up again, and this second time might go as high and break this other high. We don't know. This is what's called the second wave. There's this first wave, this first one that has gone. That is where most scams do comes in. Get it? If people want to scam you, if they want to work, that's where they do all the works. So what are we doing now is very, very simple. We're going to put this in like 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, and I'm going to potentially look for ways entitled to this particular coin if volume comes in. Get if volume comes in. Volume if you see right say 5 minutes ago 191 transactions, so 5k volume you get. So if more volumes come in, this coin might still do it, but we don't know yet. So what I'll be doing is very simple. I'm going to draw from what I'm seeing right now, I'm going to draw kind of a trend line in this place. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to draw kind of a trend line around this particular place. You get. So what I'll do is very simple. If it breaks above this particular trend line, you get. Let me see if this is going to work. Sometimes this marker too. So if it breaks above this particular line to this particular place, no, no, I did not show. You get it breaks above it and we touch it back. I'm going to buy into this particular coin. I buy the coin and I'm going to take profit at this particular level, which is about 1 million market cap. You get if it does that, and also be looking at the volume bar. If there are more volume comes in, I might buy into it. Other indicators I might look is that might come right here. Sorry, and put this in USD. I'm going to put over $100 and see that people put in money into this particular coins. You get, once I check it that people are actually putting money into you get. So it's an indicator that people are still interested in this particular coin. I don't know why people would have been interested, because if you check number five on trend, you get this coin is literally on what, on their screen and the front page. You get, it's literally on their screen and front page, so the people that's going to see, people that's potentially going to buy into it. You get, so this particular coin, it is a good coin that has potential of doing very well. I'm not recommending you buy the coin, because by the time you get to see this video, this coin might have gone to zero again. But this, I just want you to follow the way I'm doing it. With this method, you have the potential, you can s- uh get hold of a coin that's going to do 2, 5, or even 10x for you. Now let's check the other one. Okay, as you can see, right, this particular one I think kind of demonstrates what I mean by second wave. You get, and you can see this was the first wave. This code was created about, let me see when it was created. This is like about 9 hours ago. Very good. Okay, put in 5 minutes full screen. So you can see the first wave about 16 million market cap, and it traces and it's about to start the second wave again. This is what I'm talking about. It's something called waves yet. So this second wave, it might get to about 10 million market cap and retraces. It might also get to this, but we don't know yet. Depends on the marketing and the volume you get. So this is going, from what I'm seeing, right, I think there are a lot of volumes coming in. Last 5 minutes, about 424 transactions, 76K volumes into this particular coin. This is actually good and it's number one on trendy. You get, so you can see. So what we're doing now is this actually the top. We can't buy this top no matter what you get. You can't buy the top. Put it in lower time frame. Wait for retracement. You get, you can see it was at 4 million market cap and it's now 7 million market cap. If you can retrace to about 5 million market cap or you get something like that, you get to buy, but do not buy at this. This is like the top. You get, do not buy this. Wait for retracement. It will surely retrace. You get, you surely retrace. You get, you surely retrace. Wait for retracement, and when it's retraced, you buy. If you buy at the top, you will take profit and the coin dip. You're going to lose money. You get, you want to make money, so don't buy at the top. This is kind of top for me, because with most people buy at this place, from this place to about 8 minutes like 2x. So people will be taking profit to get. So you just have to monitor it. Once you trace, you buy. Trace, you buy, then get. This is actually a very good coin because it's currently trending and those stuff. Get. So now the last one will be this particular one. Okay, and about 17 transactions. There's no much volume. I understand this coin was created about 7 months ago. Yet, so about 14,000 orders. The coin might do well, but it just depends on what is happening. Again, this coin has done a lot of waves. Let me show you what I mean. You can see, put it in 15 minutes and see first wave retracement, second wave which was higher than the first wave. You can see third wave, and now but it has potential of doing on that wave, but we don't know. Depends. So this coin is about Ronaldo yet. It will do well if there are news about Ronaldo. I think this is why it came out because Ronaldo is in Arab league, right? And they play match final. He lost again. I think that was what resulted this particular coin again. Because he lost that final. Another started trending. I think that's what resulted this particular coin. So this is kind of a coin that has good narration. You get, it has potential of doing well, but I can't say because you just have to monitor the coin, like watch it. You get, you can add it to your watch list. And if people coming in, do what, you can potentially buy the coin. But this is like the deep too, but memecoin can also go deeper. You get, so you have to watch it. Once you start buying into the coin, then you can potentially do what? Buy into the coin too. You get, to you just have to watch for more transactions to come in. So guys, this is basically how you can relate to this. Trading memecoin is very easy. You get me? Easiest thing. You come over to Dexscreener, go through, look for the coins that currently having more volumes. What you need to do is simply buy into this particular coin, do analysis. You can see because these coins are what, like that have already established that have passed the buffer. I didn't bother checking for what, checking if the liquidity is actually low, checking the top ten holders you get. Lately, you should check with their website if they have, and check with their Twitter page to see if the account is currently tweeting on those stuff. So, guys, This will be it for this video. If it was helpful, please do it to like,